Hello guys, welcome to the Enterprising Investor channel. My name is Adriana Gorin and today I'm gonna talk about the best 5 credit cards for beginners. These are the type of cards that you don't want to cancel in your life, since are the ones that are gonna help you start building up your credit history. Remember, as I said in my last video, the credit bureau does not take into consideration your old and closed credit lines. They only take into consideration the ones that are actually active. So if you want to have an average age of credit history long, then you have to maintain these credit cards open. I know that a lot of people that's just starting to build their credit history are wondering which are the best credit cards to start with, since there are a lot in the market. The first credit card that I want to talk about is the Discovery Secured card. This card, in my opinion, is the best credit card for any person that's 18 years old and is just starting to build up their credit history. Why is that? You just have to go to the bank and give them a deposit, which is normally $300 to $500, which is completely refundable, don't worry. And the bank will use this deposit as a collateral to the credit that they're giving you in the card. As I explained in my last video, just put some minor expenses in this card, such as gas or dining, paid in full and on time, and that will start gaining the bank's trust. This card has some benefits. The first one is 2% cashback on gas stations and restaurants. The second one is 1% cashback on every other purchase you do. They also have an amazing program, which is called You Earn, We Match, which this program means that they will match every cent, every dollar you gain as a cashback with them for the first year. So, for example, let's say that you gain $500 as a cashback with them in the first year. At the end of that first year, they'll give you another $500 to match your gains. So you're actually making $1,000 as a cashback with them in the first year. In my opinion, that's amazing. This card also gives you the opportunity to check your credit score or credit history for free from your phone, your laptop, or your tablet. The second credit card I want to talk about is the best card for cashback. This card is called City Double Cash. In my opinion, this card is perfect for people that don't want to travel in the short term, but want to have the best cashback as possible in the world. Why? Because this credit card is offering 2% cashback in every purchase you do. How does it work? They give you 1% cashback in every purchase and 1% cashback when you pay it off. The best thing with this is that it's in everything, not only gas or only restaurants or only online shopping. No, it's in everything. So you have actually 2% discount on every purchase you do. The best thing of all is that you're getting this for free, no annual fee. The third credit card I want to talk about is the best card for people that has a fair to good credit history, which is from 580 to 740. This card is called the Capital One Platinum Credit Card. This card right now is giving $150 cash bonus when you spend $500 in the first 3 months. But wait, don't get crazy and start spending a lot just to get the $500 in the first 3 months. No, don't do that. Just put your main and normal expenses in this credit card until you get to the $500 goals. That way you'll have the $150 cash bonus. You don't have to spend more than usual. This card is also giving you 1.5% cash back on every purchase you do every day. Another bad thing of this card is that they don't have any annual fee and don't have any foreign transaction fee. And they're also offering a 0% APR for the first 15 months that you have with this card. The next credit card that I want to talk about is the Chase Freedom card. This card is offering right now $200 after you spend $500 in the first 3 months. As I said before, don't get crazy, just put your normal expenses in this card, because this card is actually giving you 40% of your money in 3 months. When you spend $500, you get $200 cash bonus back. This card is also offering a whopping 5% cashback for up to $1,500 in combined categories of your purchases, which you can change quarterly. You can change it to gas, restaurants, groceries, pharmacy, whatever you want. 5% cash back. Also, you get 1% cash back on every other expenses. Another program this card is offering, which is amazing in my opinion, is a program that is called Purchase Protection Program. What they do is that they protect your purchases that you do with this card for 120 days against damages and theft, for up to $500 per claim and $50,000 per account. I mean, that's crazy. Just imagine that you buy this pair of glasses or, I don't know, the sofa for $500 and it get damaged. They will refund that $500 for you since they're protecting it for 120 days. The best thing of this card is that you're getting that 5% cash back, that $200 cash bonus, then 1% cash back on every other thing, and this purchase protection program for free. No annual fee. Now, the last and best credit card, in my opinion, to start was my first credit card ever. It is called Bank of America Cash Reward. This credit card is my favorite. It was my first credit card in 2015 when I started with all this. I use this credit card for everything. This card is also offering $200 cash bonus when you spend $1,000 in the first 3 months. Don't get crazy, remember. Then this card is also offering 3% cash back on the category of your choice. Restaurants, gas, groceries, online shoppings, travel, pharmacies, whatever you want, you name it. They offer 2% cashback for groceries and wholesale clubs, and then 1% cashback for every other purchase that you do. This card is offering such a good cashback rewards program because they're counting on you to open a checking or savings account with them. But be careful. Right now, the Bank of America checkings account is asking for a minimum of $1,500 daily on your checkings account. If you don't have that amount of money on your checkings account daily, you're going to be charged $12 monthly. If you are a college student, first of all, I recommend you get the credit card because I opened this credit card as a college student. And it's amazing. They didn't ask for my social security number. I didn't have a social security number at the moment because I'm an international student. And they are giving this benefit to any college student. Also, if you're a college student, you can open this savings or checking account with them because they don't ask for any minimum since you are a college student and you are not 24 years or older. So right now, I'm 23 years old. I don't have this restriction of $1,000 and $500 on my checkings account until next year that I'm gonna be turning 24 years old. So I think that you should click the like button because I'm turning 24. Yeah, thank you. So again, if you're a college student, I recommend you open a checkings account with Bank of America and the credit card called Bank of America Cash Reward with them. It gives you a lot of benefits. So guys, those were the 5 best credit cards for people that are just starting to build up their credit. Remember, just put some minor expenses on them, pay in full and on time. Repeat these for about 6 to 8 months. Don't pay any interest. You don't have to pay any interest on the cards, any annual fee, any nothing to start building your credit. It has to be for free. You don't have to pay anything, okay? After you do all that, step by step, you'll be able to start applying for better cards that will give you way more benefits than this one that I just mentioned. Also, I recommend using an app or a website that is called Credit Karma. This app or website helps you check your credit history, your credit score, whenever you want for free. This will help you keep track that everything's going fine. Also, this app lets you know what are the odds of getting accepted to each credit card of your interest. Now, remember, use the credit card responsible. Don't max them out. If you don't have any money to pay them, and just control yourself. That was all for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the like button. I'll leave you my last video right here and the subscription button right here. Thank you.